Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the HipKitClub. This layout is my first one with the gorgeous June 2021 kits, and we are focusing on the HipKitClub exclusive and on diagonal design. I used the app Voila, I believe it's the name, and I created some cute 3D characters of Disney princess faces from me. And my idea was to create a whimsical layout with the word fun as my title, and look at these gorgeous cloud stencil from the June 2021 color kit. It's just awesome and I totally love that. You have 4 different pattern on the side, so you can create a bunch of different cloud designs or looking clouds, and I wanted to have some pink in my background, and so I grabbed 2 Distress Oxide colors. The first one was a Spun Sugar and the second one is a Kitsch Flamingo. And I'm just going my way through the or down the page, just on the left side and the corner part, the middle part, I'm sorry. And I just wanted to have some pink clouds in the background, and I totally love how this is working with that stencil. I love it so much, and I am so happy that's included in the kits. And yeah, so I just came home from my 4-week rehab, and I just started creating again, and it felt a bit strange. I was out of practice, I would say, and so everything took a bit longer to make some choices, but it was fun, and I am so happy to be back. So now you can see I am nearly done with my clouds, and I totally love the whimsical, the dreamy feel of the pink clouds in the on the paper. And I will also bring in some splatters with the same Distress Oxide colors. I'm just adding some of the ink on a little acrylic block, adding some water and splattering it down with my brush. And then I will work on everything else. And yeah, this is also my first layout with the June kits. And the first pages with the new kits are always the hardest, to make choices and to look through everything, and yeah, I just wanted to, I don't know, but I was totally overwhelmed and totally, what should I use next? So, I knew I wanted to have the word fun as my title, and I wanted to have it on the left upper side from that paper. And then I will place my pictures underneath, and I will go through mostly exclusive stuff, so the HipKitClub exclusive things. These are some fun acrylic vellum shimmery stickers, some butterfly stickers, and here I created some puffy clouds, looking like some puffy clouds with 6 or 7 layers of tissue paper, and I just added a staple in the middle of it. I crunched the edges, and now I'm looking for more things to add, and I wanted to stay in the colors I have on my paper already, so pink and turquoise and a bit of a light blue tone. And so I'm just trying a few things, and I will also bring in some exclusive flowers and just random bits and pieces. This is a set of clear stickers, also exclusive to the kits, and I will grab 2 little sayings. One is fun things ahead, or something like that, or think happy thoughts, and something with sunshine, loving the sunshine, thinking good thoughts. Yes. So, and for more texture and more interest, I'm adding white thread behind my white clouds, and I love that little detail. I will place some things on each cloud to cover up the staples and to just add some more interest to them. And yeah, I just love how this is coming together. And these vellum things are stickers, and I had no idea. I read about that in our design team group because of asking about attaching them, and so they are stickers, and I peeled off the backing and stick them to white cardstock. So I will cut them out, and I will use them as a die cut, and so I don't need to worry about attaching them to my page. And here you can see I'm grabbing a few flowers, and I just wanted to have little things peeking out from behind. I don't want it to have the focus on the flowers or on the cluster. So I'm just using some soft little things behind the pictures. And then I will also bring in some black and white stuff and some animal dots. And I really had fun, even if I had some trouble to finish it. But you know, after such a long break, you need to sit down and you need to deal with it, right? So adding some more thread behind my clouds, and the little journaling card I have added to my page behind the pictures. I wanted to add some journaling there, but then I liked the idea of a white sun, you know, something like a sun behind my pictures, and so I don't want to add anything else to that paper, and I will add my journaling lines under the pictures when I am done. I will also grab the black and white pattern papers from the kits. It's also an exclusive paper. You have the black and white stripes on the front or on the back, and the light pink paper with the dot circles, you know, on the back. And here you can see I added the paper behind the pictures. I added some black little leaves, and I also added some cutout circles from the paper. And now I'm looking through the exclusive puffy stickers, and I would just bring in 3 or 4 of these little flowers, a pinky one. No, they are all pink, I believe. And I was thinking about a cloud, but I will not add a cloud. And you can see I also changed the color from the butterfly. I added a light greenish one, the light turquoise one instead of the light pink one. It was not, I don't know. And I like it much more now. And now I will bring in my ruler to add my journaling lines, and then I am done. And I really love how this page turned out, and I really hope you are inspired to create something beautiful today, and grab your kids and have some fun. And yeah, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you are all doing good. Thanks for watching. Thanks for everything, for your support.